Actor Siddharth Malhotra entered the film industry with a well-done physique and later further improved on his abs for his film Ek Villain. What is Siddharth's mantra for a fit body? Watch here.
What is most important for you is the last meal that you eat. I take care of my dinner to be light. I think even if I cheat in the day at times, so you could reduce your carbs totally, or eat slightly less, or sometimes even skip your meals. In terms of if you've eaten enough carbs in the day, you can even fast at night. It'll be healthier for you as long as you have enough water in it. So yeah, and then obviously everybody has their nutritional things of lesser carbs, more protein, and eventually you have to find out what suits you. I kind of like to be veg once a week. Maybe it's a good detox. I like red meat more than white meat, so I like eating red meat at times, I think. So yeah, there's some little habits, but everybody, a different thing works for different people. So there's no hard and fast rule which would, I can say openly.
Workout for every day, 1 hour or 2 hours?
Every day, kuch nahi, workout zero abhi aajkal. This is zero workout look, only shooting workout and shooting and events like this. So at times we don't get time to work out. This was when I was shooting for my film Villain. Actually, I had come. The film required look like this also. I had just come back from that sked, and I think it was just the right amount of time to do a photo shoot like this.
Because your muscles really shows that you were doing some.
Correct, regular.
You should look at the inside pictures. The muscles are much better in the inside pictures too.
Yeah.
The black and white, I think black and white is best for any body shot. It saves the actor, but here he's used the colored image, which is always good to see more detail, and it just shows that it's real and not photoshopped. So of course you have to follow this regime. Luckily, I found out the time. I mean, I got the time 6 months ago. We train out, wake up, early in the morning or later in the night, post back up. You have to take out that time, and it's getting the right food and right amount of sleep. At times you can't do it right now. If I show you my stomach, it will not look like that. Yeah, so you have to. I think you have to struggle a bit to get that, and we've all done it.
Just to let you know, Nalin is former Economic Times. He's freelancing now, and he's been raving about your muscles since the time he's come. Yes, he cornered me first, then Prabhat, and now he's next.
We'll go to a gym workout soon.
What do you mean by fitness? According to this?
Sorry, what do I mean by fitness?
Fitness to you is?
Fitness to me is being light, being healthy, being aware, and being able to do whatever you want to do physically. Fitness to me is tomorrow if I get a bike, for instance, I do have a bike, and if I have a back problem and I can't ride my bike tomorrow, that for me is a waste of my working out, of waste for me working, because if I don't have a health, I think if you have a great bike or a great car but you have back pain, it's a pain. Why make so much money if you can't enjoy the things that you want to get? So fitness for me is to stay fit, so I can also enjoy all the effort that I'm putting into my work and take some time off and different activities. It should not come in the way of your work, your personal life, your family life, your sports, anything. So I think it's you need to have those basics. You need to not abuse your body at times. And yeah, health and eating, we all can figure out. We all have that much time. We can choose what to eat. So a lot to do with nutrition also. Most of the work that you see here is all to do with what we eat. It's only maybe about 50% in the gym, and it's 50% what you eat. So yeah, fitness for me is very important, and I like being fit.
Bollywood Country Report.